Welcome back to Cause 3D, and today we're going to talk about the Darth Maul skull that I printed from the Galactic Armory on my Creality K2 Plus multicolor printer. So let's get into this one. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. Make sure that you hit that like button down below, subscribe, leave a comment, because it's those things that help support this channel for free and let us do more content for you. If you haven't seen my YouTube short that I released probably 2 weeks ago at this point, and look at that. Look at how perfect that is. Oh, it looks so nice. The print quality that came off of this Creality K2 Plus on this particular project was incredible in my opinion. I am shocked at how good it came out. Creality just recently released a new update that fixed a couple minor ghosting lines and some other stuff, and I slowed the printer way down and I printed it on a much higher quality than I normally do. And the faceplate alone took about 4 days to print. And it got me thinking, is the multicolor print a better way to go than the old school where I printed this on 0.2 quickly? I ripped it out, I sanded it, I Bondo glazed it, and sanded it and sanded it and sanded it, and then I hand painted this project. And it took me forever to mask everything off to hand paint. And it got me thinking, these both took, in theory, actually this one took less time, the painting one did. The multicolored print one took 4 days to just do the face. Now the rest of it, I know the teeth, right? I know you're looking at the teeth. It reminds you of Ross from Friends. I get that, right?
What's up?
What happened to your teeth?
I whitened them.
I didn't have any bone-colored filament at the time that I printed this faceplate. It was more of a test in the first place, and I do need to paint those teeth and dull them down a little bit from the super bright white that I had, which it happens, but hey. But it got me thinking, is it worth waiting on the printer to print this, or is it better to do it by hand? And that's kind of my question to you guys as the viewers. Leave a comment down below. Do you think it's still worth, I have an opinion on it, but do you think it's still worth the time to print something out and spend hours on sanding it and masking it and painting it, or do you want to let the machine do it? Now, financially as a business, definitely the machine needs to be doing all the work where I don't have to touch it as much, because the price difference in the two of these are going to be quite substantially different. The hand painted one obviously is going to be more expensive. But I'm just curious what some of the community that watches these Cause 3D videos think, because I've always kind of questioned, if I can let the machine do all the work, then that's less time in my hand for a product that I can sell for less money. Curious what you think. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to quit hand sanding and hand painting my projects, because as you can see over my shoulder here, I have a full-size studio scale Slave 1 that I'm working on. And there is no way that I was willing to just let the printer put the colors on it. Plus, the printer couldn't get that detailed of a paint job on it that I plan on doing, because that's, for me, it's going into my personal collection. So I'm willing to put the time into it. But it just kind of made me think, is it worth all the effort that I put into something for the cost? Or is it something that the community is willing to say, hey, you know what, it's 3D printed in colors, it's good enough for me. Don't get me wrong, this thing's gonna look great on a shelf from 3 feet away. You're not gonna really be able to tell a massive difference. But I'll give you some close-up footage of these real quick. And like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm just curious what the majority of the group that watches our videos thinks, because I am interested. So thank you guys so much for joining us today. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.